It's the holiday season. You've just started your Christmas shopping and you're walking around from store to store trying to find the best deal on clothes your significant other will probably return on Boxing Day.
Like you would know.
Thank you, Em. Now, out of the corner of your eye, you spot a Christmas tree, only this one is upside down. And you begin to think, wow, how can this mall be so anti-Christmas? How can they break tradition and be so openly sacrilegious? But what if the mall decorators were simply following a trend that dates back to the 7th century?
The history is murky, but it dates back to the Middle Ages when Europeans used upside-down fir trees to represent the Holy Trinity and mimic the shape of the crucifix. There are many myths around the origin of the Christmas tree, but the most accepted is the story of Saint Boniface in the 8th century. Supposedly, Boniface saw a group of pagans worshipping an oak tree. To stop them, he cut the tree down, and a fir grew in its place. Boniface used the three-point triangular shape of the fir tree to represent the Holy Trinity. The story is mostly myth. Another theory suggests the inverted tree is an Eastern European tradition, dating back to the 12th century, where most Polish households would hang a simple branch from the rafters, pointing down at their dinner table. But why the switch to the upright Christmas tree? In the book Inventing the Christmas Tree, author Bernd Brunner explains that rafters were replaced with plaster ceilings which could only hold so much weight. The upside-down Christmas tree trend was brought back very recently by retail stores, with the goal being to free up space on the floor and placing ornaments at eye level. Big names recently attached themselves to the upside-down tree, with the Tate British Museum hanging a gold leaf tree and Karl Lagerfeld designing one for London's Claridge's Hotel.
So fear not, your local Target is not trying to wage war on Christmas this season. They're simply trying to free up some floor space for more products to sell you, and trying to stay on trend this holiday season.